Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tamno. Today I'm going to be reviewing Elf Camo CC Cream and their Hydrating Camo Concealers. This is something you're interested in, then keep on watching. Wait! I have recorded this video twice. First time, they cut the light. Second time, I was hearing this weird sound in the video from beginning to end and I couldn't take it out. It was really loud and disturbing, and I felt like if I edited it and posted it, you guys may not really enjoy the video. So I told myself to record it again. It has gone flat, by the way, just so you guys know, and I've used this twice already. So I plan to first of all talk about the foundation real quick, then I'll apply it, then give you guys my final thought. This foundation is said to be a color correcting full coverage, has natural finish, contains collagen peptides and niacinamide. It's a broad spectrum SPF 30. So the Elf Camo CC Cream comes in 20 shades. I got it in the shade Rich 620W, which has a warm golden undertone. It retails for $14 and you get a 30 ml tube that comes with a pump. This CC cream is divided into 3 undertones. So you have the cool, the neutral, and the warm. So I got it in the warm category, but I do wear neutral foundations. How did I get my shade for this foundation? It was really tricky to get my shade. I had to go. I first of all went on foundation. The shade it gave me wasn't working for me. It felt dark. I just literally knew it was going to be dark. So I had to come on YouTube here. I had to watch 2 videos of people who have like a close skin tone as I do. They sometimes wear darker and sometimes wear lighter. So I eyeballed their shade selection and that made me pick this one. What sunscreen filters does this contain? It contains octinoxate at 7.5, zinc oxide at 13.72, titanium dioxide at 4.45%. Other ingredients the inactive ingredients are niacinamide, glycerin, sodium hyaluronate, amino acid, parphenol, and vitamin E. And I got the concealers right here in Deep Cinnamon and Deep Chestnut. Deep Cinnamon is darker than Deep Chestnut, but to me, Cinnamon is lighter than Chestnut. These concealers retail for $6 each. These concealers are described to be a long wear liquid concealers that provide crisp full coverage while hydrating your skin. It claims to give you a full coverage with satin finish, all day wear time, has a large doe foot applicator, is great for normal, combination, and dry skin. The key ingredients are sodium hyaluronate and rose flower water. Sodium hyaluronate is to help with hydration and locking down moisture. The rose flower water helps to soothe the skin with anti-inflammatory properties. Links to purchase this will be in the description box. I'm going to swatch the foundation and concealer at the back of my palm and also swatch the foundation and concealer on my face so you guys can see. I'll start with the foundation. This right here is what the foundation looks like, 620W. And that is 620W on my skin. The next shade I'll go with is the concealer in Deep Cinnamon. That is Deep Cinnamon on my skin. Deep Cinnamon. And last one is Deep Chestnut. So that is Deep Chestnut. First, so here is the foundation. Here is Deep Cinnamon and here is Deep Chestnut. So I'm going to wipe that out. I'm going to go in with my primer and I'll be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I love this stuff so much. I want to go with the foundation and they said use a pump or 2. I'll go with 2 pumps because a pump or 2. So this is 2 pumps. I'm going to first of all tap this on my face before I apply it. This will help me spread out the foundation better. Using a beauty blender now. Not a bad coverage at all. Not a bad coverage. Love, like with 2 pumps you can do a lot, but I just want extra, so I think I'll do 1 more pump just on where I have like a little more blemish, or like where I have darker, you know, spots and all. So I'll admit that my first application I did too much. I actually did 6 pumps my first application because I just used the beauty blender to tap and apply, so it really soaked it up. So what you guys think about this shade? Did I do a good shade match? Let me turn to the side. Is it a good shade match or is not? Let me know in the comment section. So for the concealer, I'm going to apply both Deep Cinnamon and Deep Chestnut. I'll start first with Deep Cinnamon. So that is Deep Cinnamon. So rich. Then I'm going to go with Deep Chestnut now. I still feel like cinnamon is lighter than chestnut. I don't know, because now I'm applying chestnut and it looks darker. Maybe it's just my eyes. So I'm going to go off camera to do my eyeshadow, apply my lashes, and I'll be back. Okay? So it was almost like I knew they're going to cut the light. So they've taken the light now. The gen is on. I don't know if you guys can hear the gen sound. So for powder, I'm using the RCMA No Color powder. I've done a comparison of this with the cake one. If you want to see that comparison video, just click the link right here. So guys, I am done applying powder, mascara and all. I thought to show you guys my bronzer and my blusher. So this is bronzer and this is blusher. So I have my bronzer in Chestnut and I have my blusher in Royal. So they are both so pretty. I'm gonna start with my bronzer first. I like how kind of red it is, and a little goes a long way when I've done too much. I'm gonna dust out the excess. Can you guys see that? And for the blusher too, don't go too hard on it because a little goes a long way. The blusher does have a sheen to it. Then for highlighter, I'm going to go with this one here by Revolution. Can you see that? So I'm going to show you guys my lip gloss. Just put it in front of the camera so you guys can see it, and apply and come and give you guys my final look.